Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to easily change the currency in your Airbnb app. If you're planning to travel or book a place in a different country, adjusting the currency settings can make the process smoother and more convenient. Let's dive into the simple steps. First, open the Airbnb app on your mobile device. Tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. In your profile menu, scroll down and select Payments and Payouts. Now look for the currency icon at the top right corner of your screen and tap on it. A list of available currencies will appear. Scroll through the options and choose the currency you'd like to use. After selecting your preferred currency, the app will automatically update to display prices in that currency. That's it. You've now successfully changed the currency in your Airbnb app. It's a quick and simple way to ensure that you're seeing prices in the currency you're comfortable with.